LED displays in coastal areas face challenges due to harsh environments threatening their durability. Many factors must be considered to ensure stable working. Salt spray causes corrosion, reducing stability and lifespan. Moisture leads to short circuits and component damage. Requires higher brightness and automatic brightness adjustment to resist strong sunlight. High temperature affects LED display heat dissipation, leading to overheating and malfunction. Campused whale series provide durability to protect against salinity and corrosion in marine environments and weather conditions. Both the front and rear of the cabinet are IP66 certified, brightness up to 9,000 nits, allowing stable working performance protected by outdoor environmental factors. If interested, welcome to contact Campus.